Do you ever feel like you study for hours but forget everything? What if I told you there are smarter ways to learn in 2026 that help your brain remember faster, retain longer, and make learning almost effortless? In this video, I'll share the best advice to learn anything faster, whether it's a language, a skill, or a new subject. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step strategy to boost your learning speed immediately. Part 1. How your brain learns? Before you can learn fast, you need to understand how your brain works. Number 1. The brain remembers patterns, not isolated facts. Example, if you learn the word apple, don't just memorize it, visualize it. A shiny red apple, a bite, a smell. Your brain links the word to a real image. Number 2. Active recall beats passive reading. Instead of rereading notes, ask yourself questions. Cover your notes and try to remember key points. This strengthens memory much faster. Number 3. Spaced repetition is your best friend. Review information at increasing intervals. Today, tomorrow, 3 days later, a week later. This makes your memory stronger naturally. Tip: the harder your brain works to recall something without failing completely, the stronger your memory becomes. Part 2. Focus and eliminate distractions. Multitasking is a myth. To learn fast, you need deep focus. Set a timer for 25 to 50 minutes. Pomodoro technique. Turn off notifications and create a distraction-free zone. Focus on one skill or topic at a time. Example, learning English? Spend 30 minutes reading, 30 minutes speaking. Don't mix unrelated tasks. Your brain works much faster when it is fully focused on one task. Part 3. Learn by doing. Action beats theory. The fastest learners practice actively. Speak, write, or create while you learn. Don't just read or listen. Example, if you're learning English, write sentences with new words. Record yourself speaking. Use the words in real life. Tip: mistakes are part of learning. Your brain learns faster when it experiences errors and corrects them. Part 4. Use smart tools and techniques. Flashcards, apps, or online quizzes help with active recall and spaced repetition. Visualization. Connect words and ideas to images or stories. Teach someone else. Explaining something forces your brain to organize information clearly. Tip: in 2026, learning fast is less about effort and more about using your brain strategically. To summarize: 1. Understand how your brain learns. 2. Focus on one thing at a time. 3. Learn by doing. 4. Use smart tools and strategies. Start small. Apply these tips today, even for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll notice your learning becomes faster, more natural, and enjoyable. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to learn faster in 2026. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.